This video is on further development to our auto sanitizer kit. In our previous sanitizer kit, which is in huge demand now, we used a single MOSFET to drive only the pump motor. The pump motor used is of 12 volt and it is driven by a single MOSFET. And the two presets are used, P2 for PWM adjustment and P3 for on timing of the motor pump. In this new advanced kit, that is SV kit, another MOSFET is added to drive the solenoid. So both motor pump can be driven and as well as the solenoid can be driven. So the fine mist of spray can be achieved and even the final droplets of sanitizer can be saved. The pump motor used is R385, which is of 12 volt, and the solenoid is SV, which is shortly called as SV. This is used in RO and is of 24 volt. Now connect the positive of pump motor as well as the positive of solenoid and make it common and connect to the positive of the terminal. This positive is mentioned as 12 volt. Make it common, and there are two outputs. Output 2 is for motor pump and output 1 is for solenoid control. Connect the negative of motor pump to output 2 and the negative of solenoid to output 1. A mist nozzle can be used at the output of the solenoid to get a fine spray of mist. The adapter used here is 24 volt 1 amp. Maximum 24 can be used as solenoid is of 24 volt. The pump used here is R385. It is of 12 volt, but as we are using PWM, you can safely use a 12 volt motor with a 24 volt adapter. Now let us check the voltage across the terminals. Keep the positive terminal at the common point, that is mentioned as 12 volt, and the negative of the multimeter to output 2 where the motor pump is connected. It should be around 12 volt when hand is brought near the 567 IR module. Keep the negative at output 1 where solenoid is connected. When hand is brought near, it should be around 24 volt as the solenoid is driven by 24 volt. If you want to adjust the motor pump voltage, keep the negative terminal of multimeter at output 2 and adjust the potentiometer P2, which is the PWM. That is, you are reducing the duty cycle of PWM to make it 12 volt so that it drives safely the motor pump, which is 12 volt pump. When you bring the hand, the output 1 will be at 24 volt and output 2 will be around 12 volt. Now let us see the testing. When you bring the hand near the IR sensor, this IR sensor is made with any 567 IC, so it is not affected by daylight. You get a fine spray of sanitizer mist. You can see it is a very nice spray of mist and not even a drop is wasted. So this board can be used to control the motor pump as well as the solenoid to get a fine mist of spray. You can also use 12 volt adapter, but the mist spray force will be less. Thank you for watching.